Good afternoon. Just had a Mitsubishi, old pickup truck, pikey pickup we call it. Taking a while to get going in the morning. First thing you go for is glow plugs, which is what's in mind, but we're not going to go down that route yet. So first thing we checked is the battery. That is your number one source, and if it ain't got a good one of those, then it's not going to work. The next thing is what I normally do. I mean, the new vehicles don't really worry about glow plugs, but they do need them for DPFs and stuff like that, don't they? But this is an old one, an old Mitzi. Look, remember that engine there? Right, so what I've done is I've got this here, which is obviously a plus, but it's going to earth, it doesn't really matter. And then the other one I've got going onto the actual glow plug itself. So what we're checking is, we're checking if the glow plug module's working. We're going to check the earth of the actual bodywork, if that's good. And then we're going to check if it's got power going to the glow plugs. Because I mean, I could put 4 new glow plugs in, and if it ain't got any of those 3, ain't gonna work, is it? So what we got is just a normal multimeter, which is there, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna turn the ignition on, and it's gonna check all 3. So put the ignition on, and there we are. So it's 11.42, and that's where the glow plug module switched off. So it's a bit quick, but it's possibly because of the it's quite warm today, so and it's probably working off the coolant temperature sensor because the engine's nice and warm. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test the glow plugs. So I'm going to get those out, and then I'm going to show you what little tool I've got for testing them, and then we'll see if we're going to change the glow plugs. Okay, let's go from there. Okay, got the buzz bar off. You can have a look in there. As I say, the Japanese thought that out well, didn't they? So all we got to do is just undo the nuts and slide the buzz bar off. So we know what everything's working, the integrity of the system. We know we got a module working. We know we got earth. We know we got power. So what we need to do is just check these earth wires, glow plugs, just to make sure we're actually working in there. So what we're going to do, I've got this little tool here, but I'm going to show you another way. I mean, when I bought this, Christ, it was probably only about £8, and all you do is positive and earth, and it gives you this this old stick, and then all you do is you put it on the end of the glow plug, and as you can see, it's an open circuit, not short circuit, open. And just to prove, and then it will actually then 16 amps it puts through, and it tells you the glow plug is okay. You missed the spark then, because I wasn't looking what I was doing. So I've actually checked all 4, and there's only one that works. So I think we're definitely on a winner on actually on putting a set of glow plugs in to start it in the morning. The other way was just a normal test light. Put it on the positive side of there, because obviously the glow plugs go into earth, and then you put them on there, and as you can see, no light, but we knew that anyhow, didn't we? Because we put the tool on, and then you put that on there. Oh, come on, Trev, making a mucker of this one, boy. And as you can see, we've got positive, and it's going to earth, which is great. And that's what we're going to be changing. Obviously it's a bank holiday today, so I won't be getting any glow plugs, and hopefully they come out nice and easy as well. I don't think I've had any snap on these, but it doesn't worry, I'll get them out. I've got a tool for that as well if they snap. So we'll definitely get them out. So I thought this would help actually checking, as I say, the integrity of the system. I mean, on the new cars now, it gives you a fault code, doesn't it? It says, oh, that one don't work, but does it mean it's the glow plug, or does it mean it's the supply? So be careful. Just check your powers and grounds, and then check the glow plugs singly. Don't check them with the buzz bar connected, because that can give you a false reading. It'll actually tell you it's working if one's working than if the whole four's working. So just check that out. So I hope that helps. It's just a quick one. I've got a couple of other videos going on at the moment, which is taking me a while to get round, but this was just one that was dropped off this afternoon from a mate of mine. And get it going, Trev, I need it running. So now we're coming into summer, so I suppose you might not need it as much, but at least we've proved what we're going to change and why we're going to change it. And I'm not going to feel bad changing something that doesn't need changing. Well, proof's in the pudding, isn't it, really? Glow plugs fitted. Nice and easy, no snap ones. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So let's just see if it fires up and puts a smile on everyone's face, shall we? Let's have a look. So, put ignition on, and there's the glow plug light, and you can see it in the corner.
Kind of engage with new aspects.
Turn that down, and it fires up straight away. What the hell is he listening to? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Anyway, that's it, job done. Everyone have a good day. Thanks for watching.